I look like the Grinch. Hi guys, welcome back to Madison Riley's world. Today I am going to do a zombie tutorial. How do you like the sound of that? Because I am very, very excited. Because this is very good. Because it's October and it's almost Halloween. And I know you guys are excited like me. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing green, white, and black on my face. And then I'm gonna do kind of some these colors on here. Okay, first I'm gonna do the green. Look at my face. It looks like I have a green beard. It looks so silly. Okay. It's all green. So now I'm going to do black. So for the black, I'm going to make like stitches. So yeah, I look like the Grinch. So actually, I think I'll just do the eyebrows first. First eyebrow, and now I'm gonna do the second eyebrow. I need more black. Here we go. Looks good. Now I'm gonna do the stitches. Got on my eyebrow too, so it's good. I really like it. Okay, where else should I put it? There we are. Got all the stitches on. Now I'm gonna like put some white on. Okay, that's done. Now we're going to do my eyes. So now I am going to do this color and this color. Dark purple and light purple. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna use this color. I'm gonna use this brush. Wait, what did I call it? Color. Okay, so. Got my first eye, now I'm gonna do the other eye with the light purple. Okay, I'm all done with my eyes, and now I'm gonna do eyeliner. So, I'm gonna use the black again. I'm gonna try to make this kind of messy because some of these are a little bit messy. Okay, there we go. Now I'm gonna do my lips with the white. Yeah, I'm excited. Okay, now I'm gonna do it with the white. First outline it. Okay, now I'm gonna fill it in. Then I add a little bit of black again. So you guys, I'm gonna try to like mix it in a little bit. I don't know. Why is it being white again? Here it is, all finished. Let me take this off so I can really show you what it looks like. Okay, here it is. So subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye! Mom, I'm finished.